Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Raman here, bearing roll number 25. So today I'm going to discuss about the Porter's 5% model, actually which model describes the overall scenario of our industry. So first of all, I am discussing about the first component of this model, and this is the threat of substitution. And actually in general, industries are more attractive when threat of substitution are low. And in this case, that means the garbage collection recycling site, there are few companies such as Garbage Man and the Zero Cycle of Bangladesh, but our strategy and our business model is going to be totally different from these companies. So our companies is going to be unique and attractive. The second component of this model is threat of new entrants. Basically in this case you have to face the two kinds of barriers, and first one is the legal barrier and second one is the capital requirement. Since we, the Prince Captain Flynet, is going to launch the environment friendly business, so we hope that to manage the capital requirement, to manage the required capital from any financial institution and the legal document from register office will be very easy. Third component of this model is rivalry among existing firms. Actually there are the four factors to determine the intensity of rivalry among existing firms. And factor number one, number and balance of competitors. So I have already said that the number of competitors is very low in this site, and that's why actually the rivalry among existing firms is not fierce. And factor number two, degree of difference between product. Actually we will try to differentiate our product from other companies. And factor number three, growth rate of an industry. And factor number four, level of fixed cost. So primarily it may be difficult to reduce the fixed cost, but after a few years it may be possible to reduce the fixed cost after recycling a large scale of garbages. Component number four, bargaining power of suppliers. In this case there are some factors such as supply attractiveness, supply concentration and choosing cost, and the threat of the forward integration. But I have already said that garbage is our raw materials, and since we will collect garbage from door to door, and that's why actually you have lots of suppliers, and that's why actually the bargaining power of supplier is so low. Last but not least component of this model is bargaining power of buyer. Actually it includes some following cases. For example, buyer group concentration, buyer cost, and the threat of backward integration. But actually in our business model the substitute suppliers are available, and suppliers concentration is high in finished good after recycling garbages, and that's why actually buyer concentration and buyer power is high. So that's all from me. Thank you so much, and next portion will be discussed by next member.